told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Hi guys, I'm eating Pares now. Pares overload. Ano sa tawin na Pares video? Sarap ba? Pares medyo bata. Pares sisi. Mga soft drinks po tayo pag gusto nyo. Ano soft drinks nyo po? Lemon lang sir. Lemon? Lemon.
Make a change, I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say oh, oh, la 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 la.
Ano masabi mo sa lasa? Sarap.
Yes pa, ayan. Sarap, tapos na.
Sarap.
John, may beef, may bulaklak, may overload. May sisig, ano rice? Daba rice.
Daba rice yan.
Mapawak na. Okay, sige. Ano pa?
Up on the horizon, I lose track of time. Yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine. Yeah, true passion shines, and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work.
Kakainan ng Pares ni Ann Pares. Ano? Sarap. Ha? Masarap din. Pares tapos sisig. Wow. Yan ang binabalik-balikan ni Jeron dito guys sa freezer. Kumakain ng Pares. Gusto niya dito mag-araw sa Tracy guys kasi ito yung labasan niya sa school. Kumakain siya ng Pares. Guys, oh. Pawis na pawis si Idol dito. Kasi maganda na yung tindera guys, kaya gusto niya doon kumain. Ang ganda daw ni Ann Pares. Biro lang yun guys. Baka maniwala sa Idol dito. Nabusog si Idol dito. Nabusog.